Hello, everyone. This time, we will bring you the evaluation of the Keychron K2 keyboard. In the items behind the sun, there are several replacement caps in one color. Windows users can do it. Gray color with a little orange in the upper left corner. In the simple and stable, but not lose vitality, the new KR compared with the Boss made several changes to improve. A little slope is added, a little bit of thickness is reduced, and the metal frame and hot sofa axis can be further added. The version of the toothbot has been upgraded to 5.1. The key point of this keyboard is mic system, which supports OPC, Keychron and F-Zone native support. The comparison with the modification key will be more convenient and intuitive. When the axis body is used, you are familiar with the increase of dragon boat hand money. This price is still qualified. There are 3 options: Hangzhou, Qinzhou and T-State. The construction trade is ABS material, with smooth hand and exquisite feel. The interface is too poor. This is a wired connection. It is no problem for half a month to fill the primary power consumption. The buttons on both sides are used for switching and switching the system. Tap this light wind case to switch the light effect. See.